Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Motorla Moto G5s, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool, type LED keyboard, and let's get application from SASIC Studio, this one. Let's open, click to get started, click OK. Right now we have to scroll down and tap on the LED keyboard switcher, then click OK 2 times, click on the input options and select LED keyboard. Right now we are in the application, so we can choose one of this theme. I will take probably RGB star, I think, or maybe RGB circle. So click to download the theme, turn off this ad, and as you can see, here we got this LED keyboard on our Motorola Moto G5s. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.